You.
All right.
All right. What's your name and the name of your business?
Hi, I'm Flores. So I'm doing Amazon AMC Seller Pal, and I have some idea of AI, but before attending this event, I don't know like how to implement them together. But attending this event, man will put everything like a puzzle, and now I have a complete idea and implementation how to execute and grow my business.
Perfect. And so, yeah, did you think that ChatGPT was going to be difficult to learn?
At first, before attending this event, you have like the prompt and all the stuff, but with the training, with all the prompts and all the knowledge that Manuel shared in the team was like, I mean, it's AI, so it's really easy now. So,
Awesome. And so, what specifically do you think you can leave here, or tell me a few things that you can leave here and use ChatGPT for with your business?
I mean, after this event, I started a business, but like there's some gap on it. But using this Chat GPT, I could honestly say that I could using Chat GPT, you could run $1 million business by yourself.
Awesome. And so, in your own words, overall, what was the experience like?
I was like the team, Manuel, like I will attend another mastermind event, that's for sure.
Awesome. So, you're coming to the next event?
Yeah, I will.
Great. All right. Thank you.
Thank